All you have to need to reset your computer without losing your personal data or files. Open your computer settings. In settings, click on system. Under system settings, scroll down. Click on recovery. And here you will find reset this PC option. Click on reset PC. And here we have to select keep my files. Removes apps and settings but keeps your personal files. So we have to select this option. Now, how would you like to reinstall Windows? You can choose cloud download or you can choose local reinstall. Reinstall Windows from this device. Here we can see additional settings, current settings, restore apps and settings which came with this PC, reinstall Windows from this device. Now all you have to need, click on next. So here we can see ready to reset this PC. Resetting will change settings back to their defaults, keep personal files, reinstall Windows from this device, remove all apps and programs. Now finally just click on reset and your PC will reset without deleting your personal data or files. Thanks for watching.